Hello, how you doing? Look, gonna do some roast veg today. Really simple. Got potatoes, zucchini, carrots, peppers, garlic, a few other bits. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so what I'm using today, these are 3 cups each. So onions sliced, carrots, cut them nice and thin, zucchini, courgette or kusa, whatever you call them, cut quite thick, bell peppers, fairly chunky. You can go for something else if you want, get some celery in there, you know, mushrooms, it's up to you. Tablespoon of garlic and 3 whole garlics, which I've just peeled a little bit of the outer skin off. So we're going to put the chopped garlic in and the whole garlic. Teaspoon each, salt, pepper, thyme and sweet paprika. Potatoes coming up, I'm just boiling them now. Okay, so you can see I've put all of the veg that you just saw in. I'm using metal roasting tin. You can use ceramic or you can use glass as long as it can go in the oven. And I'm using twice the amount of potatoes, so let's just get them in. So 6 cups in total. You can see I've cut them quite small, boiled them in a little bit of salt water. Now they are still a little bit hard, they're not, you know, only sort of parboiled them for a little bit. Right, let's get that garlic in there, let's get that salt and pepper in there, and then the spices that I'm using, thyme and paprika, change that if you want to something else, no problem. Cumin might be nice in there. And then I'm going to use some oil. I've got about just 100 ml of oil. I'm using a corn oil. Change that if you want as well to something that you fancy. Right, I'm going to go in and give that a mix. Now I want you to put your oven on maximum heat, really hot. So get it preheated, don't put that into a cold oven. Get your oven on for 5 or 10 minutes and then pop it in. It's probably gonna be about 15 minutes. Okay, 15-20 minutes, maximum heat. Let it go a little bit more if you want. I'm happy just there, but yeah, beautiful. So just top that off with a little bit of chopped parsley. Really simple, really beautiful. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon, lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.